Print and apply labeling lets users create and apply labels directly onto a product and its packaging. These labels can carry data such as alphanumeric text, barcodes, serialization, 2D codes, QR codes, and graphics as a more accurate and cost-effective way to design and apply labels. The most common use of a print and apply system is on boxes and cartons. At Universal Labeling, we take this method a step further by coupling the technology with our made-to-order product handling. This combination offers our customers print and apply technology to a multitude of applications like industrial components, durable goods, health and beauty, medical, and pharmaceutical. Today, we are featuring the UPA2E all-electric printer applicator. That features an energy-saving all-electric system. This means there is no compressed air required and no air contamination. The unit is 25% faster than traditional pneumatic print and apply. Has an accurate programmable tamp distance, and is the most rugged print and apply in the industry. And like all UPAs, we include quick-release tamp heads, a conventional air assist tube without fans, and a quick-release slide mount for easy access to the print engine. Let us know what configuration will work best for you. Thank you for your visit, and let's answer any and all of your questions.